Okay, today we will talk the wiring for our 2-gain non-neutral switch. The model is RP-ZB-S02. This is the power source, neutral wire. This is the hot knife wire. And there are two load wires to the first one and the second one load name. This is a switch. This one is the live wire. There are two load wires. Now let's connect them together. It's so easy. First I connect the live wire, then the load wire to their first one, and then load wire to the second one. It's a ground wire. If you have ground wires in your switch box, you can connect them together. Let's turn on the power. Then you see it's already turned on. So on, off, this. So it works.